Alright folks, welcome to 90.9, the quadratic for your geometry quiz 4.1, 4.3 review video. Thanks to always to Tazo's NT and the great Coffee Espresso here in Litchfield, just named the nation's #1 small town coffee restaurant. You can Google that. Coffee house cafe number one in Mr. Yoxhart for sure. Now serving call these delicious coffees. Alright, classify each triangle as acute, equal, angular, obtuse, or right. Folks, number 1 is a right angle, a right triangle, because it has a right angle. Number 2 is acute because every single angle is less than 90 degrees. Number 3, again, you're gonna have to do add the two angles and subtract from 180 to find the missing angle. Number 3 has 360-degree angles, so it's equilateral, it's equiangular as well. 102 degrees is the missing angle in 4, so that makes this triangle obtuse. 5 through 8 shouldn't be that bad either, guys. If every single side is different, like 5, it's scalene. If every single side is the same, like 6, it's equilateral. If two sides are equal, it is isosceles for 7 and 8. Alright, number 9 here, find x and the length of each side if triangle ABC is isosceles with AB equal to BC. Alright, so first off, if AB is equal to BC, set them both equal to each other. 2x minus 7 is equal to x plus 11. Subtract x from both sides, add 7. X is equal to 18. Plug 18 in there, you get 29, 29. Plug 18 into AC. AC is not used until the very end. Alright, AC is not equal to anything, so just plug 18 in for x, you get 25. 29, 29, 25 are your three other side lengths. Guys, on 10, if all sides are equal, then pick two of these and set them equal to each other. You could either say 4x minus 17 equals 2x plus 35, like I have here. Or you can say 3x plus 9 is equal to 2x plus 35. Or you can say 4x minus 17 is equal to 3x plus 9. Either way, folks, you get x is 26, the marathon distance. Plug 26 in wherever you want. All three sides are 87. Remember, it's equilateral. Number 11, find x in the perimeter of ABC. Set this equal to this. Because you have an isosceles triangle, you have the tick marks, they're both equal to each other. You're going to subtract x and add 11 to both sides. For our Spanish-speaking listeners, you get x, s, 14, 14. 14 there, plug 14 there, you get 31, 31, plus 27, the year after I was born, 89, when the Berlin Wall came down, right? 89, or was it 91? I'm pretty sure it's 89. Anyway, Google it, ask Siri. Number 12 through 15, guys, you'll save a lot of time if you remember an exterior angle is the sum of two remote interior angles. What does that mean, guys? The exterior angle is the angles on the outside. The two angles that are on the inside, well, right here and are remote, are the furthest angles away. So it's not number 2. Number 2 is the neighbor of 97. How do you figure out number 2? Just do 180 minus 97. So if I add 51 and angle 1, I will get 97 degrees. That's what the exterior angle theorem says. So I can just subtract 51 from 97, get 46 right away. Or if I know that angle 2 is 83, I could add these two angles up and subtract from 180, get 46 degrees that way. Alright, guys, really this one's, you just want to use the exterior angle theorem on 13. Angle 1 is the sum of 56 and 63, 119. 14, folks, 76 is angle 1 plus 59. Subtract 59 from 76. The measure of angle 1 is 17. Just do 180 minus 76. A straight line is formed here. 180 minus 76 is 104. That's angle 2. 115 is the exterior angle. It's equal to the sum of 90 and angle 1. Subtract 90 from 115. The measure of angle 1 is 25. Guys, on 16 through 19, maybe start on the right side here. This is 90, 37. Add them up. Subtract from 180. Measure of angle 1 is 53 degrees. This is a straight line right here. If this is 90, this has to be 92. 90 plus 90 is 180. 90 and 64, add them up, subtract from 180. Angle 2 is 26 degrees. The supplements, again, a straight line right here. The supplement of 64 is 116. Do 180 minus 64. Angle 4 is 116. Add these two up, subtract from 180. Angle 3 is 11. You can kind of have a domino effect that way. Alright, so the exterior angles, the sum of two interior angles, will save you a bunch of time on 20 through 23. Say 137, which is the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of this angle and this angle, the two remote interior angles. Combine your x's match.com style. Too many x's match.com time, that is. Add 28 to both sides. 165 is 5x. X is 33. 117 is the sum of 2x plus 7 and 2x minus 3. That's going to give you 4x plus 4. Subtract 4 from both sides. X is 28 and a quarter. Okay, on 22, you have three angles in a triangle, so they sum to 180. 8x plus 7x plus 5x is 180. X is 9. On this one right here, this is the exterior angle. 5x plus 38. It is equal to the sum of 41 and 2x plus 55. You're going to get 5x plus 38 equals 2x plus 96. Subtract 2x. Subtract 38. X is 19 and a third. Just like 22, folks, if you have three angles of a triangle, sum them up, you should get 180. Alright, add your x's, 20x. Add your constants, negative 20 equals 180. Add 20 to both sides. 20x is equal to 200. X is 10. Plug 10 in there, and there. 44, 67, 69. All angles are less than 90. This is an acute triangle. 25 and 26, just take a look at the order. A, B, C. You went double arc to single arc to triple arc. So I need to go double arc, single arc, triple arc. It equals HLS. 26, DEF, you want right angle, double arc, single angle. So you need to go right angle, double arc, single arc. So OJN would what is DEF corresponds to. Guys, on 27, it's a little bit harder, possibly, to solve here. Here's what you need to do. First off, take a look at this one with y. It just has a single variable, so let's work with this. This is angle D. What does angle D correspond with? Angle A. They're in the same first position. So you're going to set angle D, 3y minus 5, equal to angle A, 61. You get y is 22. You're going to take that 22, plug it in right here. Instead of writing 3x plus y, it's going to be 3x plus 22. EF, the last two, corresponds with the last two here, BC. So EF, set it equal to BC. 3x plus 22 equals 81.4. Subtract 22 from both sides. Divide by 3, 19.8 is x. Solve for x, y, z, and w. Well, let's see, what is BC? The one with the x. You would assume it's going to be equal to the one with the x here. BC is equal to RS, first two. Here's RS, so set 5x minus 3 equal to 3x plus 37. You're going to get x is 20. Angle B is the first angle, the first letter there, so it's going to equal the first letter here, angle R. So set 3w minus 7 equal to angle R, 71. W is 26. Let's look at the y's. Angle D, the third letter right there, is equal to the third letter right there, angle T. So 2y minus 33 equals angle T, which is y plus 76. Subtract y, add 33, y is 109. And lastly, let's talk about the z's. So ED, or DE, would correspond with TU, or UT. So you're going to set 3z minus 4 equal to 2z plus 31. Subtract 2z. Add 4 to both sides. Z is 35. These are your answers. Your quiz tomorrow is also going to have 28 questions. This is 90.9, the quadratic, signing out.